Here is CG's Tech Mini Skirt. This is a really warm wrap-over skirt. It has a 10K breathable waterproof membrane, fleece lining, and has DWR coating. A lot of key features in the skirt I'm going to show with this one. So it's wrap-over style with 2 Velcro closure. So it's very adjustable. It will fit a lot of different body types. And then you just buckle it here, which is also adjustable. And I really like the pockets. So there's a cell phone pocket, and then this whole front compartment is also a pocket that will fit and carry a lot of things. This is the perfect skirt for ski après, wearing it over leggings as I am here. I wear it after riding all the time. This is my go-to piece, but also just daily when I want something warm but very cute. This is CG's Women's Tech Mini Skirt.